Are you an Amazon influencer that wonders why your earnings aren't what they should be? I might have the answer for you, and it could be broken links, and I may even have a solution for you. So we are on my Amazon homepage right here, and I created an extension. I'm going to put the link in the description below, of course, and I'm also starting a Discord for all of us Amazon people. We can get together, maybe answer questions and try to help each other out. Link will also be in the Discord. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. But let's get into it. The extension looks like this, and it also has a find a parent ASIN number, which can really help you out. But what we're really here to talk about is the Amazon Video Link Checker. And this is a one button push, and it will scan all your stuff for you. And you can do this on any Amazon page. It doesn't have to be your own homepage, but this is what it looks like in action. So I'm going to click the scan video button, and it's automatically going to scroll to the bottom of your Amazon homepage. And it's going to scan every single video you have. I have 350, so it's going to take a little bit of time here. I'm going to kind of skip ahead to when it's done scanning to the bottom and when the actual scanning process starts. So here we go. All right, so we just got to the bottom of the page, and as you can see now, it's starting to scan the videos, and it tells you if they're available or if they're not available. And the nice thing about this extension is you can actually click off it and then click back on it, and it'll still keep going to where it left off. So I'm gonna let this scan for a little bit, and we're gonna find a couple maybe that are not available. I'm gonna show you what that looks like. All right, so it's found a product link that is currently unavailable. Eventually, I'm gonna make this extension where you can click on these links, but for now, you're just gonna copy it, open a new tab, paste it, and then bam, as you can see, this is not available anymore. So if someone purchases this product currently, you're not gonna get credit for it. You have to go back to your Amazon store and you need to relink it to the product to start getting credit for it again. And if we looked here again, we have another one I saw that was uncertain. So this one says uncertain, and let's see what's going on with this one. This one is also not available here, but it does have buying options, which is why it's uncertain. But you would definitely need to relink this again to start getting paid for it. So that's pretty much what this does. Also, again, it does have the find parent ASIN. Let's do something that has like backpacks that has a lot of colors, right? So if you look up backpacks and you pick one, and of course it has a ton of different colors, right? So you just want to get the parent ASIN, excuse me. You click it, and there's the parent ASIN. You click it, it brings you to the page again, but this is the actual ASIN you want to use, so that it covers all the backpacks. So this is the extension I made. Again, the link is below. Very useful to make sure you're getting paid for all the videos you make that have broken links, and you can reconnect them to new products with working links. This is not going to be free, unfortunately. It does come with a monthly or yearly subscription fee, but I feel like it is worth it because the ability to monetize and make more money is there. And I'm going to continue to update it. In the future, I do have plans to make the link clickable, of course. We have plans to bring it where that it shows your items that are on sale, so you know which items you're on sale if you want to promote those more, and other ideas moving forward. You know what? I was saying bye, and I remembered I forgot to show you. Once this is done, you can actually export this to a CSV file, basically an Excel spreadsheet, right? And this is what it looks like. It gives you the title, the product link, and the availability status. So you can actually export this to an Excel spreadsheet and have it all there as well, so you can go through it that way. All right, that's it. I almost forgot about a very important feature of the product. Let me know what you think in the description below. Let me know any ideas you have or updates you think would be great to have for this extension. And also, please feel free to join the Discord. Again, link is in the description. Like, subscribed, and I look forward to knowing what you guys think about this. I put some time and effort into it, and it's really helped my Amazon shoppable. So I hope it helps you guys as well. All right, thanks. Bye.